Today I'm at Mira. Today we are going to film at 3 different locations in Mira: the Aveiro Lagoon, the sea lake and the beach of Mira. And we will start right away at the Aveiro Lagoon. For our first shot we are going to warm up with an orbit around this little island by moving right and rotating left. Let's now do another orbit around the island, but this time we will end the shot by shifting our view to the horizon. And we will do that by first establishing an orbit by moving left and rotating right, and then adding an upward gimbal tilt to slowly shift our view from the island to the horizon. Perfect. I know that it might not always be easy to find amazing landmarks near you to practice these shots, but remember that you can also practice them on other objects that might not be so interesting to film but are still good enough to train your moves. Take this little island for example. It may not be very interesting to look at, but it still serves the purpose to train these 2 shots I just showed you. Let me show you what I mean. For a manual orbit, you want to practice to maintain your point of interest always at the center of the frame. It might shift a couple of degrees here and there, but you should always maintain the motion and try to correct it on the fly, without interrupting the flow. And if you do mess up the shot, just frame the shot again and continue to practice these little corrections. You will figure it out eventually. But anyway, let's continue with the tutorial. For the next move, we are going to move in front and up while tilting the camera down to slowly capture a view of the island from the top. We are now at our second location called Sea Lake, and fun fact, they actually used these little houses by the lake as a movie set to record scenes that were supposed to be in Africa. So let's capture this view by moving left and rotating right. That's enough. Let's now head to the beach. Here we will start with a shot where we are going to show the coast of Mira. For this shot we are going to move in front and right while tilting the camera up. Next, let's point to the other direction and get a little closer to the water and just move in front. And for our final shot, we are only going to point the camera down and let the sea do the rest. Let's now see an edited version of what we recorded today.